everyone, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Monique Mendez from Gradesville, Dartmouth, and I'm with Jeremy Pamela, and we're here at KSC Shop. What's your business name and product po?
Henry Tia Inc. Henry Tias.
Kamusta naman po yung business operation nyo? Like, ilang oras po ba bukas ito? And ilan po ba kayo dito sa shop nyo po mismo?
Ito, open ako ng 10. Then nagpo-close rin ako ng 10. 10 to 10.
Okay.
Mall hours. Tapos,
Sa number of staff naman po, ilan po ba kayo dito sa shop nyo?
ako lang.
Ay, ikaw lang po.
Ako lang din ang nag-handle.
Then, full sale po ba to or retail?
Retail lang ako.
Oh, retail.
How does the business manage their inventory? Paano pinapamahalaan o minamanage ng negosyo ang kanilang inventory?
Bali, ko siya, minamanage ko siya monthly. Nag-audit ako monthly.
How was the business sale? Kumbaga, kamusta naman po ba yung kinikita ng negosyo nyo?
Sakto lang. Kasi nag-ano ako dalawa kasi purpose ko eh. Meron ako sa walk-in, meron din ako sa marketplace. Yun, nag-endorse din ako sa marketplace para maano ko rin yung kita.
Based po sa estimation nyo, kumikita po ba kayo ng 10K below or above?
Siguro
Inaman po. Opo.
Mga 9 lang siguro.
No.
Depende sa product.
Did the business accept credit transaction? How do they manage it? Nagpapautang ba ang negosyo ng kanilang produkto?
Hindi. Kasi minamanage ko lang talaga siya under marketplace. Kasi hindi naman ako retail, hindi naman ako wholesale. Retail lang ako.
Paano po nila pinapamahalaan o minamanage yung business?
Walk-in. Madalang sa tao, ganun. Depende. Kasi, katulad namin, hindi naman araw-araw yan ginagamit araw-araw, pero hindi naman araw-araw ubos yung ink. Diba? Kaya kailangan i-manage mo rin siya sa marketplace. Kung kumikita ka sa walk-in, sa mga tao sa walk-in, kailangan i-manage mo rin siya sa marketplace. Kasi syempre, yung iba, uso ngayon, mga grab, diba? Hindi na sila lumalabas sa bahay, gano'n, tinatamad yan. Nagba-marketplace na lang yung iba. Kaya gano'n, namamanage naman doon. Mas maganda yun sa marketplace kasi nga, kitaan doon dahil may nagagamit ka ng lalamog, bibigay sa kanila, yan, pangangailangan nila, at least nandun na kaagad sa bahay nila. Ganun lang.
Thank you po sa interview.
Sige, salamat pero.
Doon na po magtatapos ang aming interview. Maraming salamat po sa inyo at tinayagan niyo po kami makausap at magkaroon ng kasagutan ng aming mga tanong. Salamat po.
In summary, TS Ink Shop is a small retail business located based multi-style. Selling only ink products, it is managed solely by the owner and operates daily from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. Inventory is checked through a monthly audit to know when supplies need to be restocked. Sales are just enough to support the business, with an average income about 9,000 per month from walk-in customers and marketplace. Credit transactions are not allowed since payment are strictly in cash.
The interview with TS Ink Shop shows how small retail businesses adapt to today's market trends. When only the owner managing the shop, the business operates both through walk-ins and online marketplace. While walk-in customers are few, the marketplace provides more sales opportunities because of faster transactions and delivery. The owner manages finances through monthly auditing and avoids credit transactions to prevent risk. Overall, the shop's earnings are limited, but having both walk-in and online marketplace helps sustain the business.